Hi guys! You're watching po at Daphne and Victoria 777. Come here, Victoria. 777 guys. So, nag-live kami na accidentally na press ang back which is hindi ko na save agad, hindi ko na save yung live na mo guys. So, since na press ko yung exit na hindi ko na save yung live, so, di muna kami pwede mag-live ngayon, okay? So, mag-wait muna tayo kung kaya sa tayo mag-live. So, for now,
live na tayo.
Video muna kami, mag-download lang muna kami ng video. Kasi si Victoria kasi kanina sa live, sayang din yun kasi wala pang, I think mga 5 minutes pa yun, tapos 156 views na siya. Siya yung nag-istorya. She was the one talking into my phone because I leave my phone here. So, she was the one who interact to my viewers. At the same time, nagre-reply po siya. So, na-press po niya yung end. Siguro na accidentally na may nag-end doon sa live. So, no, tinawag niya ako doon sa room. Pag tingin ko dito, nag-stop talaga yung live. So, ang i-press ko, so I press the back button, which is, dapat pa talaga, i-save talaga yung, hindi ko muna siya ni-save. Kasi I thought, na pwede ko pa siya maback doon sa live, kasi, para mapagpatuloy namin yung live namin, guys. Okay? So, unfortunately, yun po na delete ko po accidentally actually. Na-delete ko po. Hindi ko po dinelete yun. Kasi my intention was I wanted that to go back into my live. Tapos ni-press ko yung back. Tapos pag press ko dun sa back, wala na. Dapat talaga na ni-save ko muna yung live that time. So, yun talaga guys. Kaya ito muna. So, ayan. Yun ang nangyari sa live namin ngayon. Kasi, hinayaan ko kasi si Victoria na mag-entertain dun sa mga viewers ko at saka mga interactors ko. And then, meron siyang na-press siguro guys na sabi niya, wala naman daw siyang pinindot. Pero pagdating ko dito, naka-end na siya. Ang kasalanan ko naman, hindi ko siya ni-save para ma-save ko siya for the live. Pwede naman ako mag-next live after. Kasi nga siguro na-stop niya ba guys, na-end niya yung live. So ako naman, I was trying to go back to the live eh. Tapos, yun, hindi ko na na-retrieve yung live, okay? So, see you to my next live, guys. Hi, Victoria. Thank you. So, hi. You're watching po at Daphne
And Victoria
777. Alright, guys. So, good evening, everyone. Hindi pa natapos yung makeup ko kasi nga tinawag siya ako. Tinawag niya ako doon guys. So no kasi sabi ko for a change dito muna kami magla-live dito na area guys because I never do my live here in this area. So this is guys. So we're here talaga kung saan naglalaro yan si Victoria sa mga bahay-bahayan niya guys. Yan. Saka yun, dito kami sa area na to guys, okay? So yan, yung piano niya, and then yung travels namin family. So yan, mga family travels namin guys. Yan. So ayan guys, so i-stop ko muna dito yung upload ko guys. So I'm gonna be live. Maybe tomorrow, so it depends po. So for now, na-upload muna ako ng video guys. So this is my home here. It's so very nice to have a live here with you guys. To have to talk to you here in this side of my house because I never use this space for my YouTube. So I was just thinking na puro na lang ako I have been entertaining you to my kitchen kasi pag nandun kasi ako sa kitchen, I always do my routine there. So every time that I do my routine there, sabi ko, gusto ko rin magla-live kasi at the same time, diba, parang may kausap din po ako. So ayan. So today, tonight, So I was thinking like, why not do my video here? So para makita naman ng viewers ko, ganyan. So I am really actually talking to you from my bed, from my living room here. And thank you so much for being here in this video, guys. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Daphne and Victoria 777. I'll see you in my next live, guys. Bye! Love you!